Welcome to the Figure Zone. Now really quickly, this is not a promotional video. I don't get paid by the companies creating or selling these figures. And for some quick updates, if you order the So-So Toys Omni-Man, he's not going to come with the cape attached. So-So made a video, and it's on their fan page site and also on TNS Figures. The cape will come unattached, so you pretty much got to follow the video. It's got little hooks inside there, you can attach it. They didn't want the cape to bleed onto the white outfit, which makes sense because everybody would get this thing, open it up, and his back would be covered in red, his shoulders would be covered in red, so that's pretty cool. It's a good idea. Sideshow Collectibles still running their buy one, get one 50% off on their figures. They've got a butt ton of freaking figures out there. Definitely check those out. Also, if you like to buy your stuff on Sideshow Collectibles, they have some low stock remaining figures going on, especially the Morbius figure. Dirty Harry, I think, is on waitlist already, so also check in the description below. I've got a link down there. It's just like a basic Sideshow link. It looks like this. If you click on that, any purchase you make earns me reward points. It also earns you reward points too. Just basically go in there, any purchase you make through Sideshow helps out the channel. And shipping now, we have the Yan Toys, Puzzle Man, the Riddler, and also CC Toys, Mike from GTA, and one more figure is the Hot Toys, Cyberpunk, Johnny Silverhand figure. Prepare your wallets, pre-orders are coming. First up we have from Damn Toys is the Gangster's Kingdom Hearts 6 Augustine. This basic figure is $200. There's also a red skull head and body set you can get for this figure, and that's $86. And the Crocuda pet, whatever it is called there, that is $90. All of these are going to be released Q2 of 2023. And if you are a Jason Momoa fan, this is definitely a figure you're going to want to get. If you're enjoying the video so far, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up button. It helps out the channel big time. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, the bell notification so you don't miss out on any 1/6 scale news. And if you want to donate to the channel, hit the super thanks button below. It's much appreciated. Now we also have another Billy Butcher release. This one's from 11X Kai. Mr. Anti-Hero, Q2 to Q3 of 2023 and $184. From VTS is the Chainsaw Demon, Q2 of 2023 and $271. And we have two figures from Redman Toys. I believe both of these are 2.0 versions. We have the Dracula Red for $163 and Dracula Blue $163. And both have the release date of Q2 2023. Now we have art figure Scissorhands, Q1 to Q2 of 2023 and $212. And from Present Toys, we have Scissorhands? Hey, look, it's Scissorhands. At least I could have changed the name a little bit and called him like Bush Chopping Guy or Big Haired Scissor Dude. And he is a Q4 of 2023 release, and he's $247. Now, for some quick comparisons, this is the actual movie outfit Johnny Depp wore in Edward Scissorhands. And first up is the Present Toys. So the big difference again here, he has rooted hair. And the outfit is a little bit different than the art figure, which has sculpted hair. And again, the outfit is slightly different. There's some different like little belt pieces going on. Both look pretty cool. Here is the Johnny Depp with the makeup and his hair all crazy. And of course, Present Toys has the rooted hair, which looks pretty crazy and big. The face on this one looks a little bit wide. Maybe it's just the angle, I'm not sure. As opposed to the art figure here with the sculpted hair, which does look pretty cool too. The face looks a little bit thinner on this one. So it's up to you which one you like the best. The big difference too is the Present Toys comes with the extra set of clothing to go on top of his black clothing set. I like the art figure one just a little bit more, but if you're into the rooted hair, this is perfect. And for some quick, awesome customs. From Gee Whiz Customs, they made a Padme Amidala with 2 different outfits. Sean Dabbs designed the head sculpt, and the face was painted by Beauty by Beast. Pab's Custom Studio is working on a Carol from The Walking Dead head sculpt, Space Adventure Cobra head sculpt, and an Elysium Agent Kruger head sculpt. They also do some head repaints. If you need a quick repaint on your head, this is the place to go. And here they got a Tony Cigar, Alan Grant custom kit, and they're working on their John Wick 2 Peter Serafinowicz Sommelier sculpt. And also they do a client self-portrait sculpt, so if you want one of your figures have your head sculpt on it, check them out. From D-Woon Customs, he made a Star Wars Clone Commander jet, and this looks frackin' awesome. And because I'm making this video on Thanksgiving, here's some Thanksgiving fun. Check out the links in the description below. I've got one from my Facebook group, Figure Fanatic Zone. Join up and post some pictures of your figures. I also have an Amazon affiliate account and a Teespring account. All the proceeds help with the channel. The Teespring account has my movie quote series, my Batman 66 Henchman shirt. Let me know your thoughts on these figures in the comments below. And also do me a favor, if you get any of these figures from my videos, let the seller know in the comments section and the order form that the Figure Zone sent you. If you'd like to see some more 1/6 scale figure awesomeness, click the video to the left or the playlist to the right. Thanks so much for watching. Till the next video.